going on, guys? Got a kitchen faucet. It's leaking around the base. You can see all the water here. Whenever you turn the water on, it will leak around the bottom here. Leaking down through the cabinet. And there's no seals on this part right here. You just want to tighten the cartridge. It gets loose over time. So what we'll do first is we'll come in here and we'll shut the water off. Okay, we got the water off. Now we'll go ahead and take the handle off, which is a 3/32. Okay, once you have your handle off, I'll go ahead and spin this plastic piece off here. It's just a cover. And this brass nut here, that's just a ring. But this brass nut is what's loose. And let's see. Yeah, see, I can unloosen that with my hand. That should not be like that. But that's what holds the cartridge down. And when that's loose, the water's going to come up and run down the inside here and come out the bottom. So what we'll do is we'll tighten that up. Let's get a pair of channel locks on there. Snug it up. You don't want to go too hard with it, but you want it to stop leaking as well. Go ahead and put your trim ring back on. Go ahead and thread this piece on. And we'll set our handle on here. And before I'll just go ahead and tighten it up. It should be good. We'll clean up the water here before we run it, and we'll see. Got the leak fixed. Okay, we got the handle back on. Now we'll turn the water back on. Alright, now we're ready to turn the water back on. Alright, everything looks good to go. Alright, so that was an easy one. Just had to tighten up the cartridge there inside the faucet. Alright, on to the next one. Got a work order for a toilet, and the complaint is the bowl isn't getting much water. So let's see here, we'll flush it. Looks like there's hardly any water going into the bowl here. The old ball cock style fill valve here. See, the hose right here is what fills up the tank, or I'm sorry, the bowl. And we look at the stream coming out of there. That's nothing. And the toilet fills up so quick that it has no time to fill up the bowl. That's why there's no water in there. So we're going to have to change out the fill valve. So you want to go ahead and shut your water off. Get a bucket. Set the bucket underneath here. Go ahead and take the nut off the fill line, or the supply line. before we remove that, go ahead and we'll flush it again, get all the water out of the tank. Alright, then we want to take the nut up here. This nut right here. That's the nut you want to back out. So you can pull this out. And we got the new one right here. We'll get it set up. So let me get this out and get it set up here so we can pull the old one out. Alright, got the new one out. It's all set up, ready to go. This is the nut that will go on the bottom to lock it to the bottom of the tank. So I'm going to go ahead and take that nut off, pull this one out, and drop the new one in. Alright, we got the new one in. It's all tight. Now just bring the nut from the water line up, tighten that up. We'll snug it up with the pliers. Measure this where you need it and cut it. Alright, water's back on. Got this cut where we needed it. Drop it in there. Went ahead and replaced the flapper too. Water in the bowl. Right on the money. Alright, thanks for watching.